Do you want to know the number one mistake that I see all the time with people doing paid advertising to their Shopify store? It's really costing you a lot of money, and I want to know, are you doing it? Stay tuned, and I'm going to share. Hi, my name is Elle McCann from Curious Themes Web Development Studio in Nashville, Tennessee, and we've been Shopify experts for over 5 years now. So I see this happen all the time with online stores that are doing paid advertising, whether it's Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, it doesn't matter the platform. This is a mistake that I see across all of them. What is it? It's sending people to your homepage. Don't do it. So instead, you need to send them to a targeted page on your site, like a product page or a collection page that you want them to specifically shop. So why is this a mistake? If you think about it, your homepage typically has a lot more information on it. It may have some slideshow images, different product it features, more maybe like about us copy, an Instagram feed, blog post. There's a lot of ways that people can get very distracted very quickly if you're sending them to your homepage. So why waste money when you're sending the traffic to your site and you're hoping that they purchase one of your products? Sending them to your homepage is not a good idea because you're just hoping that they see something they like on the homepage or they click on some of your other navigation items and then find a product that they like and purchase it. While instead, it's a better way to actually send them to a specific product page or a collection of products that you're highlighting in the ad. And then from there, they're a lot more likely to actually look at the product information more and add it to their cart. So make sure if you're going to be doing paid advertising that you're being really smart about where you're sending them to. Also, by linking directly to a product page, it lets you add that product image to the ad. So then you're getting people that are even more interested in that product because they've seen it in the ad, they liked it, they clicked on it, they may be ready to buy. So having them to your product page cuts out a lot of them actually having to navigate the site and look for it. So make sure, number one tip of the rest of the year, next year, whatever, make sure that you're sending your paid traffic to a product page on your site or a collection, and you're not wasting all of that money by sending them to your homepage. I hope you found this tip helpful. And if you're not yet, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials all about Shopify and how to grow your online store. Also, check out our recent videos over here, and hopefully you'll find something that will help you as well on your entrepreneur journey.